She started applying turmeric around her eyes. 10 minutes later, unbelievable. We can easily say that turmeric is one of the healthiest and most powerful spices in the world. Turmeric can provide many health benefits because of its anti-aging, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This spice is a part of many Indian meals because of its wonderful flavor and golden color. We can also mention that turmeric has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine to treat and prevent many health conditions, from pain relief to fighting cancer. Curcumin is the most powerful compound found in this spice, and it has been studied in the last few years. This compound works as a powerful antioxidant, and it contains powerful anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. This amazing and super healthy spice is loaded with many healthy nutrients such as calcium, vitamins, minerals, fibers, etc. It's super healthy and it can cause any bad side effects for you and your health. Turmeric most important health benefits. 1. It can prevent cancer. This amazing spice can fight free radicals in the human body, and it also aids in protecting and keeping the human cells healthy. Turmeric can block the enzymes that promote cancer cells growth. Just add 1 teaspoon in your favorite meals every day and you will protect yourself from this terrible and deadly disease. 2. Prevents Alzheimer's disease. This spice can boost and improve the overall brain health. Turmeric can also prevent and slow down the development of Alzheimer's by removing amyloid buildup in the human brain. 3. Controls diabetes. We can also mention that this spice is very useful and effective in regulating the levels of blood sugar and lowers insulin resistance in order to prevent diabetes type 2. When this powerful spice is combined with strong medicines, it can trigger a low blood sugar levels. 4. Acts as a natural painkiller and prevents arthritis. As we mentioned before, this remarkable spice has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidants properties which are very useful in treating stiff and painful joints and arthritis. Turmeric is a powerful natural remedy for arthritis, and it's one of the best ingredients that can reduce inflammation in the human body. 5. It can heal wounds. You can make a homemade turmeric paste which is very useful and effective in healing minor cuts, burns or bruises, due to its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. We can also say that this spice is also very useful in repairing your skin, and it can be used to treat psoriasis or other inflammations on the skin. 6. Improves the digestion process. This powerful spice can stimulate the gallbladder and it reduces bloating and gas. Turmeric can also be very useful in treating bowel inflammation. So if you suffer from gallbladder disease, then you shouldn't use turmeric as a dietary supplement, because it can make this health condition even worse. 7. Cleanse your liver. This amazing and powerful spice is also a natural liver cleanser. Turmeric also improves your blood circulation. So you should definitely add this powerful spice in your body detox diet plan. 8. It will make your skin healthier. Did you know that this powerful spice prevents skin pigmentation? Well, yes, it will tone your skin, and if you use it regularly on your skin, it can make your skin glowing. Here's how to make the best homemade turmeric skin paste. Just mix 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice, pinch of gram flour, 1 teaspoon of tomato juice and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. Mix all the ingredients until you make a paste mixture. Then you should apply this mixture on the dark circles around your eyes and leave it on for 10 minutes. After that, you need to rinse it off with cold water. You will be amazed, your dark circles under your eyes will disappear. This turmeric paste is one of the most popular to treating under eye circles. Or you can try this method as well. Make a paste of turmeric powder and some pineapple juice. Leave it on your dark circles under your eyes for 10 minutes and you will be amazed. The dark circles will disappear. 9. Healthy heart. This powerful and super healthy spice can reduce the levels of bad LDL cholesterol. Turmeric is very effective in the artery cleansing process. It prevents blood clots and plaque buildup in the arteries. All you have to do is add 1 teaspoon of this powerful spice in your favorite meals every day. 10. Improves mood. People used this powerful spice to treat depression and anxiety and to improve their sleep as well. In this video we are going to show you one of the best turmeric remedies, also known by the name golden milk. This powerful turmeric remedy is used to treat and prevent many health problems such as diarrhea, fever, bronchitis, colds, viral infections, headaches, parasitic worms, leprosy, bladder and kidney infections, relieves painful joints and muscle pain caused by inflammation or arthritis. Golden milk recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup of milk, half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, half a teaspoon of extra virgin coconut oil, 1 crushed green cardamom pod, 1 small cinnamon stick. Directions: Note the black pepper and the coconut oil will help your body to absorb the turmeric's compound curcumin much better. Here's what you need to do. First you need to heat the milk, then add the cardamom and cinnamon. After that you need to add the turmeric, pepper, honey and coconut oil and stir constantly. Make sure you heat this mixture until it's steaming but not boiling. Then you need to strain the cinnamon and cardamom and your golden milk is ready. You need to stir it all the time because not all ingredients are soluble. Enjoy your golden milk. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share with your friends and family. Thank you.